Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Definitely appreciate you taking the time. Today we're going to be painting a Muskie Crankbait. This is a 6-inch model. We're going to be going for a yellow perch pattern. I've already got the white base coat set on our lure, so let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we're going to do is put a layer of wicked golden yellow on our crankbait. I want kind of a darker shade of yellow on top and just kind of fade down to a lighter color on the bottom. Just gonna very lightly do the belly. The next color we're going to be doing is a pearl copper. The pearl is going to give it a nice kind of flare to it. So with the pearl copper, we're just going to go on the top half and just darken up that yellow just a little bit more. Next, we're going to be getting some detail moss green on the top half of that as well to darken everything up. The detail moss green, we really don't want too much to shine through. It's really just to darken up that yellow and copper colors. I'm going to be very, very light on the trigger. Darken up the back. Darken up the nose. Next up, we're going to be using some Opaque Black. We're going to be adding in some vertical stripes, as well as darkening up that top back and darkening up the nose a little bit. For this, I really wish I had a transparent black, but I've only got an opaque black, so we're going to make it work. So to be getting our vertical stripes, we're going to be using a hair clip that I've modified just a little bit. Normally, it looks like that. So what I've done is broken off every other clip to give us a little bit more of a spaced look, which for these Perch vertical bars I think really do wonders. So line that up just at the edge of the gill plate there, and then I really just want a faded look for this, so I'm going to be very, very light on the trigger. And then just get the tail. Flip her around and do the same thing. And then we're just going to run the black straight up the back. Again, not super dark. Just enough to kind of blur those two sides together. So the last part we're going to be doing on this yellow perch is adding some orange. For that, we're going to use a Wicked Orange. For the majority of this, we're just going to be very lightly doing it on the belly. Kind of halfway up the sides. As soon as we got that, I do like hitting the throat area pretty good. Getting it darker orange. Okay, so that's going to do it for the colors for the yellow perch. We're going to pop some eyeballs on this guy real quick and then get ready to clear coat it. Okay, so I've got the eyeballs attached. Eyeballs, I think, always make the lure really pop out. So our next step is to clear coat. So for a clear coat, I use DevCon 2-ton 30-minute epoxy. Okay, so here it is with all the clear coat on. Looks like it's going to turn out pretty nice. We're going to go ahead and stick this on the drying rack and see what it looks like tomorrow. Alright, so it's been 24 hours, and here's our finished product. Turned out pretty decent. So we're going to slap some split rings and some hooks on this guy and call it a day. So here is the bait all finished. I got the split rings and the hooks on. I'm using 110-pound split rings. I believe the reference is 5H if you go on Lure Parts Online. I'll try to remember to include the links to the blank as well as the split rings and the hooks on the video link. And these are 3/0 hooks, just really cheap eagle claw hooks. I've caught a few muskie on them. They get the job done, and if you ever need to cut the hook, it's pretty cheap. So turned out pretty decent. I was a little afraid that it would be a little too green, but I think it's just right. Thanks again, guys, for stopping, and definitely appreciate the view. See you next time.